Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the colorful brick clownfish in Heartopia. So Heartopia just added a new event that called Modular Street, and in this event you can collect special limited items including this colorful brick clownfish from the fishing hobby like this. And this fish can only be obtained from the special brick fish event like this. There are two ways to join the event. First, you can join for free during the official event schedule every Saturday and Sunday at the 6 p.m. This one every Saturday and Sunday. And when it's Saturday or Sunday, so just log in and then join this event. And the event will be hosted by the NPC. And second, if you don't want to wait for this schedule, you can start your own event anytime by paying 20 bricks tickets. Like for example, maybe for the fishing events, you can just talk to Vanya and then just tap on this special bricks event, this one, and then just tap on it, and then just tap on start, and then in here you need 20 bricks tickets like this. And then if you want to start, just tap on confirm, and then after entering the event, just simply fish like usual until you get the colorful brick clown fish like this. And to increase your chances, you can also use the fish attractor or mermaid perfume before fishing. And okay, that's how to get the colorful brick clownfish in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!